Okay.
This is a video for Mandalorian and Allies Booster Brigade, and we're going to go through this TXC 3D. I was told that it's really good to take out all these lines that you get from a 3D printer, and we're going to mix it up and see if it works the way they said it was. So you're supposed to wear gloves, safety glasses, and we've got enough ventilation in here. So you're supposed to mix this at a ratio of 1 part to 2 parts of the A and B. I've got quite a bit to do here, so I'm doing a full container. And it takes 15 minutes to get hard, so we have 15 minutes to get it painted on these 4 pieces here. And I'm going to do these neat pieces. Yeah, gloves are a good idea. But if you guys are new to the Mandalorian Booster Brigade, we have a chat and we help each other out a lot. Any problems we come up against, we help each other with in the chat. And it's mostly on Facebook. We have an Instagram and a website. Looks pretty good. They say there's minimal sanding with this. I've already done a good bit of sanding, getting rid of the big pieces off these. But we'll see really how it comes out when it gets painted and how much sanding is needed. It says it takes 2 hours to cure properly, but it only takes 15 minutes to set up from a liquid state here. And it comes with a little credit card piece that I'm sure you can put hinges on this and make it, put lights in it and switches. I'm sure there's a lot of there's a good sized box, a lot of things you can do with it. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it yet. I'll just use it as a credit card. And these are going to need foam inside them. Some really thin, probably like 1 or 2 millimeter foam. But let me know in the comments section what more videos you'd like to see, and we can work on those videos and get a database set up with a video collection for a whole Mandalorian kit. And what's cool with these, if you get them off of Thingiverse, these knee pads, I found you can print out the straps for them, but if you want to, there is this stuff that is, it's like an industrial strapping, and it fits right in there, and you can attach these to your outfit, and so they slide right in there, and you'll have them permanently attached, and you won't have any metal on your outfit. They look pretty good. Stuff comes out great.